Little Theater has always been a gigantic part of what we've done here at Orange High School. It's been a gigantic part of our life and our student life. It's really a big deal. We now have a new Little Theater.
This theater is offering so many opportunities and such a great renovation, but at the same time holding true to the traditions that we have here at Orange High School.
This was a renovation project of a theater that was built in the 1950s, so it did have its challenges. We were able to make a good impact on the theater, however.
This mural here represents the rich history that we have here at Orange High School, not just on the athletic field or in the classroom, but in the performing arts.
Kids who have walked through the doors before are going to come in to brand new seats, to new curtains. We've got new curtains, yay.
And this will carry on for new generations. So appreciate it. We are happy to do it and thankful that it finally got done.
My favorite memory of being here in the Little Theater is being here with my daughter. She was the lead in Wizard of Oz. She was Dorothy, and I got the chance to watch her on stage.
This is a tremendous sense of pride for us, and we're just so excited to get started in this new theater.
And it looks tremendous. I think this is going to be a place where for the next 100 years, we can have our continued student involvement and allow those dreams to come to pass.